since the ex-showroom start from.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we have the all new Kia Carens CLAVIS. So before taking it for a drive, we'll just have a quick walk around. Starting from the front, we can see this redesigned headlights. They look sharper now, and they have this triangular shape with this 3 little LED ports inside. And the DRL looks kind of like an inverted L. The grill is mostly closed off, which adds a modern touch to it. Now the Carens looks more like their international model, that is EV5, and it looks more SUV-ish now. And moving to the sides, the overall shape is similar to the old Carens. Only addition is this 18-inch wheels in the upper trims, and the dimensions are also same. So coming to the rear side, as you can see, the tail lights are redesigned. So now we have this connected tail lights which runs across this tailgate, and also they have redesigned the bumper, which looks similar to the front bumper now. And yeah, overall the design wise they have stepped up a little bit, so it looks more premium now. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So now let's check out the interior. Now the interior looks very modern and upmarket, and the dashboard, I think it has got a fresh and layered design now, with this mix of some beige and navy blue theme. The seats, fabric wise, I think they have changed it, and it looks very premium now. So this is a 6-seater variant, so you can see the captain seats at the back. Okay, so now we'll check out the second row. Yeah, the second row comes with the sliding and reclining seats, captain seats. And the leg room is pretty decent. And here the third row seats are folded now, so you can check out the luggage space there. So overall it's a great cabin. It feels very premium. So let me know in comments what you guys think. So guys, welcome back to the drive of Kia Clavis. So today we have Bittu with us to give some details regarding this car. So maybe we'll start with the booking process. So the booking has already started, right?
Yes, sir. Hi, myself Bittu Kumar. So as a sales consultant working with JSP Kia, SARJAPUR Rd. Yes, good news. Like the booking has been started from the 9th May onwards.
Okay. And what is the booking amount and procedure?
For the booking amount, you have to pay 25,000 of the booking amount, and a few documents we have to provide at the time of booking, such as Aadhaar card and PAN card.
Okay. And what is the waiting period now for Clavis?
Waiting period in sense like still the dispatch is just not happening pan India. Okay, so from the date of booking we are expecting around 4 to 6 weeks.
Okay.
1 month and 1.5 months from the date of booking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Regarding the drive, I think the steering is very light.
Yeah, steering is too comfort.
Yeah, just like the Ciros, which I recently have took a test drive.
Same feel.
Yeah.
Same feel.
And the interior also looks similar to Ciros now.
Yes.
I think the display, everything has updated.
Yeah, so previously, like the previous same model, the Carens, which you're having.
Can we take
there is a big gap.
Okay. Yeah, you can.
So previous Carens, there will be a separate this one, the instrument cluster over there and the infotainment system. There's a separate part over there. But in the Kia Clavis, what happened in a sense, right now the company has given one connected display over there.
Yeah.
So in one connected display, we are having a instrument cluster and the infotainment system.
So the variant-wise details and price, I will put it in the video. I mean, maybe I will put it on the screen. Maybe you can pause and check it out. Yeah, I've already taken a screenshot. So. So talking about the ride quality, yeah, it has improved actually. So it feels a little soft now. So usually the Kia cars are known for a stiff suspension, but I think with the latest Ciros onwards, they have worked on. It has become more softer now. Yeah. So it's more towards comfort now.
The comfort is having very good, like very convenient type of comfort.
Yeah.
Basically, it's a 7-seater car. And the company is given an option for a 6-seater as well. The 6 and 7-seater, both options it have in the Kia Carens Clavis. And main benefit for the car in the sense the third row seat. Benefit.
Yeah.
So comparing with the third row seat, to not only the kids, basically in the Indian automobile industry, what happens in sense the 7-seater car in sense the third row seats basically for the kids. Okay, but in Kia Carens Clavis, what happens is not only the kids, even though the adult, like 6 feet tall person also, they can sit aramse in third row seat.
Yeah.
So this is the main benefit for the comfort.
And this 1.5 petrol is what we have seen in Seltos and all. So
engine wise, same as it is Carens. So in Kia Carens Clavis, we are having a 1.5 liter of capacity. 3 types of engine we are using, even though as well as in the Seltos as well. Correct. So first of all, we are having a 1.5 liter of that naturally aspirated petrol engine, and second one we are using a 1.5 liter of a petrol turbo engine. Okay, and third one is the 1.5 liter of diesel engine.
Yeah, the performance wise also it is, I mean, similar to Seltos. It's really nice. I mean, you are getting enough power, and the transmission here is DCT, so and you don't feel you don't feel any lag while shifting. So it's, if you see the power wise also, see, it can easily pull. And this also comes with modes, right?
Yeah, as it is a DCT, so in DCT variant we are having a driving modes as well as the traction mode.
Yeah.
So based on the road condition, based on the situation.
So where we can
here we are having the option for a drive modes.
Yeah.
So right now it's in sport mode.
Yeah.
You can just do acceleration. You can see the power of this. It will start getting a more generating the power. Now you can see right now it's in 100.
Yeah. And you don't feel the speed.
The wobbling type or any vibration won't come.
The ride has really improved. Yeah. And you don't feel like you are driving a very big car. So it's easy to maneuver in traffic or in city.
Yes.
So Kia will continue with the old Carens, or will just stop?
Old Carens in sense, like initially at the time of this launching vehicle, we got the information like one base variant will be continued, and the rest of things will be stopped, and Clavis will be continued. Like that initially we got the information, but as of now most of the leads and inquiries coming for only for the Clavis only. So currently we don't have any official confirmation for the previous Carens. Right now it's the trending Clavis.
Okay, maybe I think they will keep it for cab and all those taxi purpose. Maybe.
Yeah, we are expecting that.
So this is a top-end variant, right?
This is a top end.
HTX Plus, or?
HTX Plus.
Okay, so you don't have a GTX for this variant.
No. So
And X-Line is also not available.
X-Line not. So in Kia Carens Clavis, this is the top end one.
Okay. And this comes with ADAS also. I think.
Yes, it have a ADAS level 2 with 20 autonomous features.
Okay. Yeah, I will take it. We'll just check the turning radius once.
In one turn it can turn.
Yeah, that's what. Even though it's a big car, but it can easily turn.
Yes. But imagination, suppose any of the customers heard like they are going to buy a 7-seater car, or they are going to see a 7-seater car. The imagination comes like there will be a big car like, based on the seating capacity.
Yeah.
7-seater, but that's not a true fact. Yeah, it's a 7-seater car only, but the turning radius, the comfort is too.
Yeah. So if you want to have better mileage and thing, I think it's better to go for diesel, right?
Yeah, comparing to the petrol or petrol turbo, diesel will be give a more mileage, little bit.
Yeah, but I think when compared to this 1.5 turbo, you will feel a little underpowered, but it's very good for mileage, I think, the diesel one.
Yes.
Steering is light, but while gaining speed, it is also gaining some weight. So
right now we have selected a sport mode.
Sport mode,
okay.
yeah.
So based on the mode also, the steering will get little bit high, because what happened in the sport mode, the engine will start getting power, power will be more.
Yeah.
Pickup will be more. That time the steering will little get bit stiff because of the more power.
Yeah.
If you drive in economy mode, the steering will get released and it will be too slight.
Let me try in economy once.
Okay.
Yeah. Just see if there is any power drop. Just try to pull here. Not getting any gap. No, it's not that. See, it's very linear now. It's not that aggressive now. So, but when you put it to normal, yeah, there is some amount of power shift. Yeah. So maybe in sport, yeah, you can definitely feel that.
Yeah, because of the power, the steering will easily get stiff.
Yeah. And this also comes with 1.5 naturally aspirated, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So maybe 1 lakh price difference, or how much it is when compared to different variants?
Variant in sense like the first base versions, the ex-showroom start from 11,49,900. The base version.
So maybe on-road price, how much it will be for the base?
The Bangalore June 2025 Kia Carens Clavis, the price is right now. The first on-road in the base variant will start from 14,30,041 rupees.
Okay.
The on-road price. This is without exchange and warranty and accessories kit. If you are opting the both two things, then it will become 14,79,354 rupees.
Okay.
The base or on-road price. If you're going with the top variant, which vehicle you are driving right now, driving the vehicle, the top end variant, okay, then it will become the on-road price 26,81,679 rupees.
Okay.
This is without extended warranty and accessories kit. You're grafting the both things, so then it will become 33,982 rupees.
So for any queries and test drives, you can contact Bittu. I will share his contact details in the description. So people who are in Bangalore maybe can directly contact and come to the showroom for a test drive.
Yes. So our outlet is located in Bangalore, Sarjapur Road, near to Domasandra. Our
Okay.
dealer name is JSP Kia Auto Core Private Limited. We are having a 3 outlet over the Bangalore. One is located in Singasandra, the Hosur Road, and another one is located in Bellandur, card near to Kadabisnalli, our head office, and third one is ours.
So this was my short drive impression of the new Kia Clavis, Carens Clavis. So hope you all liked the video. So maybe you can let me know in the comments which car I should do a test drive next. So see you all in the next video. Thank you so much.